Wow, corn. Is this all your Halloween decorations? I hate decorations for Halloween. Don't be silly, Gordon. You know how decorations is for Halloween. I don't care. Decoration. You know, Gordon. Yeah, I'm split in red paintwood. So what did you think, Gordon? So, Neil, what do you think of Halloween decorations? Well, Thomas, you know seeing the best in a Halloween decoration ever, right, Percy? Oh, I love to, Nia. We trying to tell you, but I can't wish it come true. Right, Gordon? Now excuse me. I'm going to try something else in your chats. What's the matter with Gordon? He's upset today. Well, how you doing? It's for Halloween from before tonight. Why he leaving Gordon? Is he really soon on his way? Yeah. Don't you worry, guys. I know just in the plan. Really, Thomas. I'm split as a red paintwood. Woohoo! Go number 5. Woohoo! Yeah.